Black holes, one of the most mysterious and fascinating phenomena in our universe. They are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape them. Their existence was predicted as early as the beginning of the 20th century based on Einstein's theory of general relativity. Black holes can form as a result of the collapse of massive stars that have depleted their nuclear fuel and collapsed under their own gravity. At a distance of 3,000 light-years from Earth lies a black hole visible to the naked eye. Fortunately, we are at a safe distance from this cosmic phenomenon, as well as from many others like it. However, could a black hole eventually engulf us all? What would we see if we were pulled into a black hole? Could Earth orbit both the Sun and the black hole? And would we survive the stretching? This is Mystify, and here's what would happen if Earth was sucked into a black hole. At a distance of 3,000 light-years from Earth lies a black hole visible to the naked eye. Fortunately, we are at a safe distance from this cosmic phenomenon, as well as from many others like it. In the Milky Way, there are about 100 million black holes left over from supernova explosions, where stars, exceeding our Sun by 20 times, end their life cycle by collapsing into themselves. Stellar black holes are common, with diameters of about 16 kilometers. However, there are more massive specimens, supermassive black holes. They have diameters comparable to the size of our solar system and masses exceeding 1 million suns. For example, Sagittarius A, located at the center of the Milky Way, is one of such. How close would a black hole have to be to pose a threat to us? Technically, a black hole the size of a millimeter-wide pin could engulf us if it were close enough to Earth due to its immense mass and strong gravitational pull. Our survival depends on whether we cross the event horizon or not. In simple terms, it's a kind of point of no return for a black hole. Everything beyond this point must move faster than light to escape. In the case of Earth, if it approached close enough, the black hole's gravity would begin to stretch our planet, sucking out the atmosphere and then tearing it apart. Possibly even Earth stretching would occur as it got close enough to the black hole, leading to horrific consequences. If Earth were captured in the orbit of a black hole, we would face tidal heating and other catastrophic consequences. Regardless of the size of the black hole, anything that falls into it is torn apart into individual atoms. Our solar system is also doomed. The balance between the Sun and the planets would be disrupted, leading to their collision. Asteroids would be sucked in too. If one of them were to strike Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic. Even if we somehow survived the asteroids, the cosmic radiation emitted by the black hole would likely be our end. Perhaps we could survive on a special spacecraft, but even if we crossed the event horizon, we would encounter the unknown. Physics as we know it could change. The truth is, we don't know what will happen. We can only speculate whether our fate will end inside a black hole, or if we'll have a different outcome to the story.